Hello everybody, how are we today? My name is Janhvi and I'm speaking to you from India, and I wanted to make this little video on what I have done here. Okay, now I'm a big believer in reusing and recycling, especially plastic. So I have this bottle of Victoria's Secret, which is Can't Resist Body Mist and Love My Body and everything. So you see, it has very nice words here like Love My Body. Okay, and what we did is, this is our sanitizer. It is just rubbing alcohol, which is also known as isopropyl alcohol, which is 99%. And I have these beautiful Valencia oranges, so I kept the peels and I put it in this. Now it's been 3 days I think since I put it in, and you see the color has changed to a lovely it's becoming yellowy orange, and it's like all the properties of orange will start getting infused in this alcohol. And because it's alcohol, it's not going to rot in here. If it was water, it would rot. And right now the smell has not been infused, but I just love looking at it. It looks so pretty, and slowly it will infuse, and even the bottle looks so pretty, and I love the color. And overall, orange has very nice refreshing and energizing properties. It's related to the sun also, to solar energies, and it makes us happy. So I was very happy to use the citrus peels like this instead of just throwing them away. Another thing you can do with citrus peels is convert them into bioenzyme, and you can look up a video and do that. And anyway, I hope you also try this out. So it's like here I have reused this bottle for a spray, so I'm sure you can find a spray bottle, either one which you already have, or you can purchase them. They're quite inexpensive. And if you have any of these pretty peels, you put them in your alcohol. I've just put 3 peels because that's what fit comfortably. In another bottle I have put fewer peels because that's a smaller bottle. Okay, I also boil this in my water, in hot water, and have it. So yeah, I hope you find this tip very useful, and it is a very energizing sanitizer. It's cleansing, it's refreshing, and you can also you can just spray it on things. You can spray it on your hands as well. Of course, when you're using sanitizer, please remember to moisturize your hands because sanitizers are very dry. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this small and effective and energizing orange tip. Bye for now. Once again, this is Janhvi. Enjoy your Sunday, and bye for now. Bye bye.